Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Poco Mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys Poco Mobile guys camera setting, and today video title is guys how to use camera tap to take photo, how to on tap to take photo setting in Poco Mobile. Friends, one by one, step by step friends, we will talk about how to on Poco Mobile tap to take photo. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, open your phone setting, also friends open your phone camera and open your phone camera setting. Friends, right click a three line and open your phone camera setting. After turn on phone camera setting, you want to on camera watermark. So friends, you can on your camera date and time watermark, device watermark, custom watermark. Friends, you want to use, so you will have to on your date and time watermark. Picture quality low, high and standard quality you want to use, so you can set and you can change picture quality. Friends, click here tap to take photo option, and friends you can see tap to the screen and you can take photo. So when tap on your screen and you can take photos. So friends, now we will on flash photo. 1 2 3, tap here, photo will click automatic. So like that friends, you can on tap to take photo and you can use. And friends, if you tap here, so you can take photo. So friends, we will not tap here, we will tap here on the screen. Friends, tap here anywhere and you can take photo. Photo will click automatic. So like that friends, you can on tap to take photo setting. And friends, if you turn off your Poco Mobile tap to take photo setting, so friends now you cannot take photo. Friends, I will on flash. Friends, you can see we cannot take photo. So like that friends, you can on tap to take photo setting and you want to use tap to take photo. So tap on your screen and you can take photo. And as you can see, camera sound setting, you want to on camera sound, so you can on camera sound and you can take photo with camera sound. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.